Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. Today I am sharing my latest Stitch Fix box with you. I'm so excited to dig in. My last box was a 5 for 5. Yep, it was. I'm getting a lot of those lately. So anyway, I will leave a link below if you'd like to try Stitch Fix for yourself or just learn more information about it. As always, I will leave a list of all the items that I received with the prices if you want to request or try and request some items that I received. I've had such good luck with Stitch Fix, so let's dig in. I peeked on the app. I didn't go through the clothing yet. Are you proud of me? I'm going to show you the box in a second. But in your box, we all know, right, you get your envelope with your note from your stylist and your invoice. The note, my stylist actually changed last month. So I had Alex for actually the whole entire time I was doing Stitch Fix, and then I got a new stylist named Amanda. So I didn't ask for one, they just gave one to me. I'm just gonna read it really quickly to see. It is Amanda again, and she did great last time. Oh, okay. So I did put in my note, I hope Alex is doing okay, and she put Alex is doing great. She's one of my best friends, so perfect. So I'm glad that Alex is doing great, and I'm happy to have Amanda too. They're both awesome. I received some great pieces from both of them. So let's dig into my box. Oh wait, and then you get your prepaid mailer. So anything that you're not keeping goes back in this bag. So really convenient. I do have the Style Pass and it's really nice. I get my fixes very frequently. So are you proud that my box still looks intact like this? It's very rare that we keep it intact until I can tape my video. Usually I can't resist and just dig in and at least look through things. I got some more jewelry, so let's do that first. So the first thing I got, it looks like a necklace, or it is a necklace. So here it is. Let me take it out of the bag. Really pretty. Actually, this would match perfectly with the kimono that I got. This is from my last fix. If you didn't see it, I'll pop a card up above. That's really pretty. I love the pendant here, and I love that pretty pink. Oh, I love that. Oh, Amanda, you're killing me. I think I'm gonna pick that. I think I'm gonna buy that one because I have a lot that would go with it. All right, here are my clothes. Am I in trouble again? Probably. All right. So first, this is by, Fortune and Ivy. It's the Irene Faux Wrap Brushed Knit Maxi Dress. Let me just get it the right way so I can show you. So here it is. I love the pattern. Love the feel of it. Love the material. Love the colors in it too. So excited to try this. By the way, I kept the romper. Loving it. Okay. This is by K&C. It's the Lizette tie front knit top in navy. So here is the top. Oh, that's cute. I love the stripes on it. Short sleeve, off the shoulder, tie front. Really cute. How cute would this be with some white pants or my white shorts? I'm in trouble again, I think, if everything fits. Okay. Mixed by 41 Hawthorn, Alison Essential T-shirt swing dress in navy. So here is, here's the dress. So short sleeve, got a pocket in the front, rounded neckline. Looks like a pretty good length, and again, this feels so soft, so I'm probably in trouble. I keep saying that, but true. And then lastly, this is by, where is it? Tribal. I don't see a name. They're Stitch Fix exclusive, so I'll have to look at the invoice for the name unless it's on here. Oh, here we go. Fia Cuffed Cropped Trouser. I couldn't say that fast. Really pretty pink color, and it looks like the front, they're probably just pull-on. They're stretched. They have a little bit of stretch to them. So there's no zip. It's just kind of a flat front, and then in the back there are pockets, but they aren't functional. But that's okay. All right, so let's try everything on. And these I can wear to work too. I do have a pair of pink pants already, but the pink pants I own are more of a jean material, so I can't wear them to work unless it's on a Friday. So these I'd be able to. All right, I'm excited to try everything on. Let's do it. I'll be right back. Okay, so this first top is by K&C. This is the Lizette tie front knit top in navy, $38. Rayon poly spandex blend. That's what I forgot to tell you. So here is the top. It's very, very cute. So It's the off the shoulder. It's so soft. It's so comfortable. And I love the tie front detail here. I love the length of this top. It's very nautical looking to me. And I like that look for summertime. Here's the back. I like it. I think this one's a keeper for me. So what do you guys think? I like it. All right, I'm gonna try on my next outfit. I don't think I have any more tops, so outfit, and I'll be right back. Okay, before I tried on the dresses, I thought I'd put on the trousers. These are by Tribal. They're the Fia Cuffed Cropped, I can't say it again. I'm struggling with this title. Cuffed Cropped Trouser in Blush, $58. So they're very comfortable. I do already own a pair of Tribal pants and I love them. They're so comfortable. They're great to wear to work. Oh, let me back up. You can't really see them. So they are kind of a crop length and they're cuffed at the bottom. I love the blush color. I think it's so pretty. Here's the side. Here's the back. I like them. They're very comfortable. So I'm gonna see how close they are to the ones I have already and make my decision, but these would be great to wear to work. Throw on my Tom's wedges or some other cute sandals. All right, I'm gonna move on. All right, I'm back with the first dress, and this dress is by Fortune and Ivy. It's the Irene Faux Wrap Brushed Knit Dress in black, $54. It's, what did I miss? Oh, 96% polyester and 4% spandex. So I do like the dress. So the top is a wrap style dress. It's short sleeve. It does have a tie here, which, whoops, forgot to tie. So I'm sorry, let me do that really quick. But the bottom is not a wrap style, and that's why they're calling it a faux wrap dress. So this is a good length in the front. It's kind of a little bit below my knee in the front. And then here's the back. So it is like that maxi length in the back, which I think is cute. What do you think? I like it. The sleeves are kind of like that flounce sleeve too, if that makes sense. I think it's a cute dress. It's really pretty. Let me know what you think about this. I'm on the fence. I don't know. Can you tell? You can tell when I'm on the fence, right? I'm on the fence about this one for some reason and I can't pinpoint it, but let me know what you think, and I'm gonna try on the last dress and I'll show you the necklace when I do that, so I'll be right back. Okay, last two pieces. So the dress is by, where is it? Here it is. Mixed by 41 Hawthorn, the Alison Essential t-shirt dress in navy, $38. So let's talk about that first and we'll talk about the necklace after. So I like the scoop neck. It does have the pocket detail here, which you probably can't see because it's a darker color. Sleeves are great. It's very comfortable. I'll back up. Oh, I forgot to tell you the, what did I forget to tell you? The material. Oh gosh, okay, I'm sorry, but I think it's probably a poly spandex blend, if I had to guess. I love the cut of this dress. I think it's very cute. It's gonna be a very like kind of throw on and run and do some errands dress, but you could also dress this up with statement jewelry or any kind of jewelry. Maybe some wedges and some heels or something like that if you want to wear it out, because it's just, I think it'll be so versatile. But anyway, here's the back. And I love that it's a navy too. I think it's really, really pretty. I love navy for the summertime. All right, let's talk about the necklace. So the necklace is by, hang on, let me just read it to you. The canvas, the Gowin Chevron stone necklace in light pink, $34. So I do love this necklace a lot. The chevron print, the chevron kind of pendant is really pretty, and then I love the stone, the pink stone. I put it on with the navy. It actually kind of looks pretty cute. But it would look great with the, what did I have on before? The kimono that I had on. This actually I'm going to show you in the recap, but to put it on, you just kind of adjust it. So you can adjust the length of this necklace, which is something that I really like. So I could wear it shorter, or I can wear it a little bit longer even if I wanted to. So I really like this necklace. I think it's really cute. What do you guys think? So pretty. All right, let's do a recap. I don't even think I'm gonna change. I'm just gonna adjust the camera so I can sit down and talk to you about it, and we'll do a quick recap. Okay, so before I do my recap, I gotta show you about the necklace. So I made it as long as it could, and see these two little bars? That's how I did it. So I pushed them close together, and look how long it made it. So you can get a really long look, which sometimes I like, or you can get a short look. So you can get two looks out of this necklace. So to do that, you just pull the two bars. It's like magic together. Yep. And then just got to be a little bit more coordinated than I am. and it'll be a lot less, whoops, here we go. So there we go. So you can even make it smaller than that, but that's how you get a shorter look. So I like that you get 2 looks out of this necklace. Let's talk prices. So if you haven't noticed, I think I'm keeping this necklace. Prices, so the total price of my box is $222. The buy all discount takes off $55.50, and it brings it down to $166.50. I don't think I'm keeping all 5 items. Let's go through and I'll tell you exactly what I'm thinking I'm keeping. So yes, I think I'm keeping the necklace. The brush dress by Fortune and Ivy, I don't think I'm keeping. There was something about it and I can't pinpoint it, so I can't sit here and tell you why. I just don't think I'd pull for it. And I liked the pattern, I liked the like the feel of it, the material. I just don't know that I would pull for this dress, so I think that one's going back. The trousers I think are going back too. I don't know about these. I like them, but I don't know how much I'd pull for them either. I'm gonna go look to see the color of the pants that I have. I think they're pretty close, so if they are, I might just send these back. But I don't know, I do like Tribal, and if you haven't tried their pants, they're great for work. They wash well, they wear well, they're comfortable, they fit great, so, and they're reasonably priced, so check them out. And then, I think I'm keeping this top. So this is the off-the-shoulder top, and this is by K&C, and I think I'm keeping this top. I have a picnic to go to in a little while, and I think I'm gonna throw this on with some white shorts, maybe a necklace, and I'll be good to go. So I think this one's a keeper. So I have 2 yeses, and then I think, yeah, I think this knit dress here that I'm wearing now is a keeper too. It's very comfortable, it's a great length, it's very soft, fits great, so be easy. I can dress it up, I can wear it, you know, casually. So I think those are my 3 keepers, but I'm curious to hear your thoughts as always. Thank you so much for sticking through and spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. Hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all having some beautiful weather like we are here, and I will see you all really soon in my next video.